Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Casa Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And you know what? On this channel, we do share DIY, healthy lifestyle, cross-like lifestyle, and how you can make your own products using all natural products without any toxic. It's possible to have flawless skin and healthy skin without using any toxic ingredients. Yes, and to my 52 subscribers, I'm so grateful, dear friends, for your support and your love. God bless you. You know what? We need to grow this channel, and we're aiming for 1,000 subscribers. So it's in phases. First, it's 50. We've reached 50, 100, just like that, and going up. So if this is your first time on my channel, click on the subscribe button and subscribe now, and click on that notification bell so that every time I post, you'll be notified. So I'm super excited because today we are going to make orange juice. And what you need to look for when buying oranges, yes, so health is an asset which is so important in our lives, because if you are not healthy, you cannot go for mission, you cannot work for God, you cannot enjoy your life, you cannot go for work, you can't do anything when you're sick. So it's very important to take care of our healthy and what we put in our bodies, because our bodies are the temple of God where the Spirit of God lives. So we don't need to defile our temple. We have to keep it pure. Yes. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end.
So we are going to use 3 oranges, as you can see. Yes, and make sure that you buy oranges that are firm, heavy, bright in color and without wrinkles, and wash them thoroughly with running water to remove not only the dairy but also the pesticide residue. So we are going to use a blender. In this case, you can even use a juicer if you have that one. Yes, but if you don't have it, you can even use a blender. So oranges are good in vitamin C. They are a good source of dietary fiber, best for the skin. It protects the skin from free radicals, prevents signs of skin aging, protects the skin from damage, and help rejuvenate it. It prevents collagen damage and skin dryness, minimizes the consequences of long-term sun exposure that leads to skin cancer. It's also good for the immunity, it protects the cells from the effects of free radicals, helps fight against skin, lung, breast, stomach, and colon cancers. It stimulates white cells to fight infection, fight against viral infections. It's also good for the heart, heart and blood vessels. It lowers the risk of for ischemic stroke among women. It regulates heart rhythm, dilates the artery for ease of blood passage, prevents hardening of the arteries. So oranges are also good for preventing macular degeneration, helping in absorbing calcium into the body and maintaining the health of teeth and bones, reducing the risk for the development of kidney stones, stimulating digestive juices, relieving constipation, preventing ulcers caused by H. pylori by lowering the incidence of the infection. So tips and precautions. You have to make sure that you buy oranges that are firm, heavy, bright in color and without wrinkles. Wash them thoroughly with running water to remove only the dairy, but not only the dairy, but also the pesticide residue. So it's also sensitive in individuals may have respiratory reactions when exposed to the fruit, especially to the rind. So excessive contact with the volatile oils in orange peels can produce dermatitis, rash, and blisters on the skin. Eating too many oranges cause problems related to bowel movement, weight gain, and acidity. So there are so many ways on how you can prepare oranges, fruit. You can eat, they can be eaten raw by itself. They can be juiced. So we are going to make juice. Actually, that's the way we're going to prepare them in this video. It can also be prepared and processed as a glaze, preserved as a marmalade, baked into cakes, made into compote, used as a salad dressing. And the peels, they are used as a zest for flavoring, garnishing, juice, or pressed to produce orange oil. So we are just going to peel them. As you can see, this is very important, and I'm really loving this series. So I'll be doing series on juices. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, so that you continue seeing such videos. Yes, and make sure that you click on that like button. Yes, give me a like if you are enjoying this video. So continue like separating your oranges into segments. Yes, as you can see, like it shows you where you're supposed to separate them, and remove that white pulp. Yes, so we are done. As you can see, I'm super excited. So we are getting a blender and we're going to blend. So at this point, it's up to you. You can use, you can add a little bit of water just to help with the blending. But if you don't want, you cannot. But it really helps to blend well. Look at that. So like it's blending so well. I'm super excited. So once you are done, make sure that you get a sieve. It's very important to sieve it, but if you don't want to sieve it, you can even drink it with the pulp. Yes, but we are sieving it. And make sure that you do it gently. You can even get a spatula just to help like to press more so that the juice can come out easily. So like press, be patient enough.